Hey everyone, listen up. How Geo changed YouTube. Yo, what's up friends? Today we're diving into a fascinating story that has transformed the way we consume content online. It's a tale of innovation, accessibility, and a digital revolution that has touched millions of lives. So, buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey through the world of YouTube and Geo. Today, we're going to talk about something that's become a big part of our lives. YouTube. Whether it's for entertainment, education, or just to pass the time, YouTube has become an integral part of our daily routines. But have you ever wondered how this platform became so massive, especially in India? What were the key factors that contributed to its explosive growth? Well, one of the major players in this story is none other than Geo. But have you ever thought about how YouTube got so huge in India? It's not just about the content creators or the viral videos, there's a deeper story here. One that involves a game-changing company that revolutionized internet access in the country. Yes, we're talking about Geo. Launched in 2016, Geo brought affordable and high-speed internet to millions of Indians, and this had a profound impact on YouTube's growth. There's a cool story behind it, and Geo played a big part. Before Geo, internet access in India was limited and expensive. Many people couldn't afford to watch videos online, let alone stream them in high quality. But Geo changed all that. With its affordable data plans and widespread coverage, Geo made it possible for millions of people to access the internet for the first time. This democratization of internet access opened up a whole new world of possibilities, and YouTube was one of the biggest beneficiaries. Yeah, the same Geo that gives you internet on your phone. Imagine the impact of suddenly having high-speed internet at your fingertips. People who had never used the internet before were now able to watch videos, learn new skills, and connect with others in ways they never thought possible. This surge in internet users led to a massive increase in YouTube viewership. Content creators saw their audiences grow and new creators emerged, eager to share their talents and stories with the world. So, today we'll find out how Geo made YouTube a revolution in India. The rise of Geo and the subsequent boom in YouTube usage is a testament to the power of accessible technology. It shows how a single innovation can transform an entire ecosystem, creating opportunities and changing lives. From educational content to entertainment, from DIY tutorials to vlogs, YouTube has become a platform where anyone can find something of interest. And it's all thanks to the widespread availability of affordable internet brought about by Geo. Get ready, this story is awesome. We're about to explore the incredible journey of how Geo's entry into the market reshaped the digital landscape in India. We'll look at the challenges, the breakthroughs, and the impact on everyday lives. So sit back, relax, and join us as we uncover the story of how Geo made YouTube a household name in India. This is a story of innovation, determination, and the power of connectivity. Let's dive in. So, the story begins in 2016 when Mukesh Ambani thought, why not give India a gift that changes everything? He envisioned a digital revolution, a way to connect every corner of the country with the power of the internet. It was a bold move, one that would require immense investment and unwavering commitment. But Mukesh Ambani was no stranger to challenges. He had a vision, and he was determined to make it a reality. And then, boom! Geo arrived, bringing free internet. It was a game changer, a disruptor in the truest sense. Overnight, the landscape of digital India began to transform. People who had never used the internet before were suddenly online, exploring a world of information and entertainment. The excitement was palpable and the impact was immediate. Yes, you heard that right, free. For the first time, millions of Indians had access to the internet without worrying about the cost. It was a revolutionary moment, one that democratized information and brought people closer together. The barriers that once existed were being torn down and a new era of connectivity was dawning. Internet became so cheap that everyone could use it. The affordability of Geo's services meant that people from all walks of life could now stay connected, from students to professionals, from homemakers to entrepreneurs. Everyone was benefiting from this digital revolution. The internet was no longer a luxury, it had become a necessity. Whether you lived in a village or a city, everyone started using the internet. The digital divide was shrinking, and the benefits of connectivity were reaching even the most remote areas. Farmers were accessing weather forecasts, students were attending online classes, and small businesses were finding new customers. The impact was profound and far-reaching, and When you have internet, what's missing? The possibilities were endless. People were streaming videos, connecting on social media, and accessing a wealth of knowledge at their fingertips. The internet had become an integral part of daily life, transforming the way people communicated, learned, and entertained themselves. Jio had not just provided a service, it had sparked a digital revolution that was changing India forever. With Jio, data packs became cheaper, but who really benefited? Obviously YouTube. People had so much data that they could spend all day on YouTube, watching videos, listening to music, watching movies. Everything was free. And YouTube didn't miss the chance. They kept adding new features and people kept watching and enjoying. Jio has so many recharge plans that you'd spend all day just counting them. From daily data packs to long-term plans, the variety is endless. You can choose from plans that offer 1 GB per day, 2 GB per day, or even unlimited data. It's like a buffet of data options catering to every kind of user. Whether you're a light user who just needs enough data to check emails and browse social media, or a heavy user who streams videos and plays online games, Jio has got you covered. But one thing is common, all plans have tons of data. No matter which plan you pick, you'll never run out of data. Imagine having the freedom to stream your favorite shows, download large files, and video call your friends and family without worrying about exhausting your data limit. It's a data paradise for users who are always online. Whether you recharge for 1 GB or unlimited, you're going to watch YouTube. YouTube has become an integral part of our daily lives. From watching educational videos and tutorials to enjoying music videos and vlogs, YouTube offers a vast array of content for everyone. With Jio's generous data plans, you can binge watch your favorite YouTube channels without any interruptions. It's like having a personal entertainment hub in your pocket, and Jio even made a deal with YouTube Premium. This partnership means that Jio users can enjoy exclusive benefits on YouTube. With YouTube Premium, you get access to ad-free videos, which means no more annoying interruptions while watching your favorite content. Plus, you can download videos to watch offline, perfect for when you're traveling or in areas with poor network coverage. And let's not forget the background play feature, allowing you to listen to your favorite videos while using other apps. Now you get ad-free videos, background play, offline downloads, everything. It's a complete package for the ultimate YouTube experience. So whether you're a casual viewer or a hardcore YouTube fan, Jio's recharge plans combined with YouTube Premium offer unmatched value and convenience. Enjoy seamless streaming, uninterrupted entertainment, and the freedom to watch what you want, when you want. With Jio and YouTube Premium, the possibilities are endless. Chapter 4. YouTube's fame all over the place. With Jio, YouTube wasn't just for cities anymore. Now, even in villages, people are watching YouTube, farmers are watching farming tips, kids are studying online, and grandmas, they're listening to their favorite prayers. YouTube has become everyone's source of entertainment. Chapter 5. YouTube Special Plans. Jio did something amazing. Jio even launched special plans just for YouTube. Yes, plans with extra data and a YouTube Premium subscription. This means watching YouTube is even more awesome now. Chapter 6. Content explosion on YouTube. With Jio, there's been a content explosion on YouTube. Everyone became a YouTuber. Channels were created for everything. Songs, comedy, education, news. And people are subscribing and liking like crazy. Chapter 7. YouTube changed India's style. Today, YouTube isn't just a platform, it's a culture. People follow trends from YouTube, learn new skills, and even earn money. Yes, YouTube has created a whole new economy in India. Chapter 8.5. G arrived. YouTube thrived. Now Jio is bringing 5G too. This means YouTube will be even faster and smoother. High-quality videos will play like butter. So, get ready for another YouTube revolution because Jio isn't stopping anytime soon. Outro. So this was the story of Jio and YouTube. So friends, you saw how Jio took YouTube to a whole new level in India. Today, YouTube is an important part of our lives. And Jio played a big role in that. So, the next time you watch a video on YouTube, don't forget to thank Jio.